Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video. Today I'm experimenting with a stencil that I've just had. Can you see? It's got dragonflies or butterflies and flowers and leaves. So I thought I'd just cut a piece of 5x5 card and Versamark it and then try and sponge around. I'm not very good at sponging really because I get very impatient. If you can see that, I do dot off occasionally, but not enough obviously. So I'm going to do, that was in clear embossing powder, I'm going to do it in white and see the difference. So 5x5 piece of card, stencil, just fit over it. And I did wonder why I purchased a tiny Versamark. I never used it until today. I've got two of these. They're quite mucky, but that's how they go, isn't it? And then today I actually opened this and it's amazing. So this is why I bought it, obviously. So I'm going to go, this is what I did last time. And I just had to go back in and do the butterflies last time because I hadn't done enough, but hopefully this time I will. But it doesn't matter, you can just go back in. I'll show you. Right, I think that's it. It's got like a film over it when it's done. Take it off, and I have missed a little bit there, but that's cool. Don't put this, I wouldn't put the stencil back on now. I'd bring in my white, I'm using Wow embossing powder, sprinkle it on, let it run over the others. There you go. Right, so get off that bit, I don't want that. What's happened there? Must have smudged. Right, hang on. I don't really want all of this. Obviously this didn't happen last time. Just wants to happen this time. Now I have got a tiny paintbrush somewhere. Where my paintbrushes are. Let's use this instead. Something else I've bought and never used. Perfect. Oh, I'm having a day where I'm using things I haven't used before. Oh, look, that is perfect, isn't it? It's like a spongy, rubbery thing, like a pen. I only bought them because they'd got sparkly pink. If they'd got sparkly orange, it'd been even better. But so if anybody knows what they're really for, could you leave me a comment, please? Right, that will do. I'm just going to heat emboss now. Sorry, that took a while, but I want to make sure I get it all. And if I look at the picture, and just let me put some of this back in, and I look at my stencil, I have missed, oh, I ripped that bit away, I shouldn't have done. Okay, I've missed a little bit on that flower. The rest will be fine. Right. And then just go back in again. See, it's much easier to do it when you've already embossed it. That is it. Right, let's get rid of this powder. This powder falling into places isn't good. Right, so not a lot of difference really compared to the one that I did that was clear. Doesn't look any different really. So how I started at the bottom, and I'm using my Stampin' Up colours. This one is Pear Pizzazz. So I start off being good and tapping and trying to be good at my sponging, and that is quite good. And then it all goes to pot and I get fed up and I just do it straight onto the card. Can you see where my bits are a bit, oh, I don't know, I try. Right. And then I thought, oh, you better do your flowers so you don't do green in them, so I chose pumpkin pie. I don't know if that exists anymore, I'm not sure. And I didn't care about this because I wanted it to be quite vibrant, so I just daubered. If that's even a word. There you go. And then I used Mango Melody. Oh, and this one's so annoying. Look at all this ink everywhere. So annoying. I don't know why. I store them all the same. I don't know why this one's being horrible. Let me get another wet wipe. Anyway, we'll work with what we have. I want it to be kind of outside. There you go. And there's one more. So I want them to be kind of outside the flower, showing how wonderful they are. There's that one. Yeah. Okay. So that's quite easy to do. Okay. Now go back in with the green and try really hard to blend. Okay, see how I've got it darker there? Doesn't matter, I don't mind, but see how much nicer that is. It's when I start, so when I start I try, but then I'll get fed up and I'll do that, you see. And I'm quite at a look doing this. Right. Let's get some there. Okay, we'll try and see if that's any good. Then for my dragonflies, I used Rich Razzleberry. And I just, yeah, not sure about that, but still. Okay, and then I used gorgeous grape. You see, I don't know why the ink does that. But it's all stored the same. Oh God. Oh, where's my dauber? There you go. Right, and now I need some blue sky. So I chose Balmy Blue. And this did go quite far when I did it last time. It went all the way down. Oh, maybe I got some, I don't know what that is. See, I've done it. There you go. Look at that dark spot. It is, oh, that's okay, I've done it. I don't know. I just did it again. Oh my God, Carol. What are you doing? Oh. Okay, the sky is not one colour. It's different colours. Yeah, I don't know what's on that bit of card. Anyway, that is Balmy Blue. And then I thought I'd come in with a bit of Pool Party. I'm not sure if that's a retired colour or not, but I like it. It's a bit lighter and it blends. So there you go. And then what should happen is you don't lose the cloth that you use, piece of kitchen roll, and you wipe off. That Rich Razzleberry doesn't like to be wiped off, so let's get rid of that and let's have a look. Well, I can't tell the difference between the white and the clear. Maybe because it's clear on white card. Maybe that's it, Carol. So that one is the Gorgeous Grape. So I used Gorgeous Grape there, and then I used Rich Razzleberry there. And what I did on that one was I got a wet wipe and I took some of it off. See, and it does look not as in your face and harsh, which I quite like. So that's me and my little stencil. I'll be having a play and doing some more, I think. So take care for now. Bye.